Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today's the day that I wrap up the tin. Yesterday, well, let me show you from this angle. I got all of this insulation up there. That's 2 rows of insulation, 4 feet, and it's all ready to go for what amounts to the last row of tin. There's actually a 1 foot row that needs to go in, but I got to get this partition wall done and the F&J channel on there before that final row can go in. It's only 1 foot wide, so I can seal that off and actually have heat in here while I'm working, so not really worried about that. And it should go in real easy. Not only is it going to be light, but it'll have a channel along one whole side, so it'll be held up there real nice, and I think it's just like 2 screws, so not much of a problem there. This row is going to be just like all the other rows, so I don't know how much of it I'm going to film, but I will cut in here and there, like after each panel, and talk about how this partition wall is going to be done, so stick around. Okay, I have the first panel completely done, and I have the second panel up and in place, but I don't have it marked or screwed or anything yet. I've been waiting on my hat and gloves to dry so I can go out and shovel some snow. We had 5 inches of snow last night, and I spent a good amount of the morning clearing off the cars and stuff over there and walking the dogs, and this stuff got soaked. It's dry right now, so I'm gonna go shovel real quick and I'll get back at this. There we go. Let me show you what we got out here. It rained pretty good the other day, and we got ice everywhere underneath this snow. There was actually no snow on the ground, and now you can see it's about 5 inches. I wish our plow guy would get here and get rid of some of this stuff. Well, the whole driveway and the driveway across the street. I hear a plow somewhere, but it's probably not around here. All right, let's get back to this. I had to rush ahead and get this whole thing done. It's already really late. I've been messing around, moving cars and shoveling and stuff. It just keeps snowing out there. We got another 2 inches. We were supposed to get 4 to 5, and we got 7 already, and it's still snowing. So I got to get out there and walk the dogs before it gets too dark. The sun's down already, but it's done, except for that last little bit, but that'll be coming probably in about 10 days. Like I said, I got to get all of the blocking in this. I have to get it fastened to the bottom of that truss right there, and then I have to skin this side. This face right here is going to get this 1.5 inch XPS insulation on it. Then it's going to get 3/4 inch ply over that. The other side is going to get batt insulation, that batt insulation right there, and then it's going to get drywall over that. We're going to use moisture resistant drywall because it's going to be damp in here pretty much all the time. Okay, looking really good. In the next video, I believe I said this already, but I'll say it again. I got to get that whole area there completely cleaned out. I'm going to move a lot of the stuff like the foam and the insulation. I'm going to move a lot of that into here so that I can have a clear area along the back there. I have to insulate this new row that I just did, tape it and insulate it. Some of it I'll have to do through this opening here. Believe it or not, I'll fit through that. Get it taped and insulated. Then I'll have to move the ladder onto this side and go over the top for the very last of it. Then I can get started on this wall. Yeah, it should be really interesting. I had the heater on the last hour or so, and it was really nice in here, but it's not that cold outside. It's probably, I don't know, 33, 34 out there. So we'll have a few more days of that weather, then it starts getting really cold. So I'm really have to hustle once I get back onto this. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.